Hello gentlemen, and welcome to the very first episode of Gentleman's Guide, a series where I, Professor Dr. Shila Vu, explains the gentleman's approach to relationships and love. Today, we'll be discussing courting a lady on Hmong New Year's. But first, we need to find a young chap. Well, what about you? Come on in. Today, sir, you'll find the love of your life. Step 1. Dress to impress. A gentleman always dresses in his best attire to attract the ladies that he wants. Remember, if you look like the bad side of an uncooked egg, you'll get treated like one. I would highly suggest a suit or traditional Hmong garments, both of which make you look like you put in a little bit of effort this morning. There you go, sports. Looking spiffy. Remember to be properly groomed and well kept, and try to look like a man with aspiration and goals. Ah, look at you! A gentleman ready to meet some nice ladies. Step 2. Approaching. Always approach the lady of your choice in a polite manner. Make sure your body's faced towards her in a friendly, non-threatening way. Stay a good 3 feet or so away from her to show her that you respect her personal space. Yes. Now, make sure to introduce yourself and then ask her for her full name. Her full name. It is not gentlemanly for you to court cousins, sisters, or family of any kind. Any kind. Now, to make this easier, make sure you download the Car Share Last Name Identifier app. For just $1.33, you can make finding the love of your life that much easier. Nice. Step 3. Ball. Ball tossing is the hardest part of the courting ritual. Try to find a location where you can safely ball toss without hitting pedestrians. Remember to stand the proper distance between her and yourself, as you need to leave enough room to talk to her and still show off your ability to catch a tennis ball with one hand. There you go, young chap. Nice and easy, just like that. Keep going, keep going. There you go. It's it's alright. Don't freak out. Just go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go on. Go on. Walk smoothly though. Be smooth. Yes. Now you're getting it. Yes. Alright, don't celebrate. Just go back. Hurry on back now. Come on. Come on, chap. You're almost there. It's alright. Just get her attention. Get her attention. Wave harder. Wave harder. Alright, that's not working. Just throw her the ball. But make sure you make it over him. Over him. Make sure... Okay, come on now. It's alright, okay. In a moment like this, the gentleman has no other choice but to approach the lad and just tell him that you are already engaged with the conversation with her. Go on now. Go on now. Yes, don't be shy. Don't come off rude though. Be nice about it. Be nice. Gentlemanly. See? He's already leaving. Being gentlemanly has so many perks. Oh, he's coming back. Oh, and there's more of him. Well, it's alright. Oh my god! Oh my god! Run, you fool! Run, you fool! Run, you fool! Just what are you doing? No! Just run! Oh my god! No! No! Stop! Stop! He's just a boy! He's just a boy! Not the tennis balls! Alright, if we just leave quietly, they won't notice. Oh no, they see us. Oh no, run! Run, you fools! Run! Run, you fools! No! Save the cameras!